Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Good Eats and Positive Vibes with Chi. Eating is what I love to do, and I really enjoy eating on camera. But most importantly, empowering women and helping them see their worth is what I enjoy the most. I've been telling my story one video at a time, hoping to help women leave toxic situations because we are perfect. We are beautiful and we are more than enough for the right person. So now let's eat and vibe out with Chi. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have another mukbang for you guys, and this is my homemade butter sauce. Homemade butter sauce. I got me some rice, cucumber, and sausage. The national mukbang meal. Anywho, I've had a great day today, and I hope everyone else had a wonderful day. And if you're gonna sit down and eat and watch me, I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead on. Go get you a snack from that kitchen and come sit right on back down. Okay? Okay, guys and girls. I'm ready to jump right into this because I'm excited. Lord, thank you for this meal and the hands that prepared it and the mouth that's going to partake in it. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Happy dance, happy dance, happy dance, happy dance. Okay, so y'all see how I got this rice perfect. Took a lot of practice to do this. I done went through so much rice. But I don't know. Let's see. I'm trying to put some of my butter sauce on it. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I just want to put some of that on there. So I can know. All right. I'm ready to jump into this, y'all. I'm excited. Okay. Okay. Let me just tell y'all. Lala, I can tell you now. Hey, dog, better shut up. I done got stuff on my shirt. Y'all better not let Lala out. Hell, fuck no. Lala, sit down. Yes, guys. It's a meal. It's this meal for me, baby. It's the meal for me. It's the meal for me. Ain't even enough fucking words to say for this. How good it is. I ain't gonna lie, me and this dog for to have it out. For to have it out. Cause baby, what's going on? I ain't gonna lie, wait a minute. It's this cucumber for me. The sausage for me. And this rice. Let's get this. There's an onion right here. Move, nigga, let's go sit down. Guys. Ooh. Y'all wouldn't believe me if I tell y'all this shit so good. Lala. Lala, stop. Mm-hmm. Tomorrow mukbang gonna be good too. This is rice. Don't worry about that. Lala, if you don't fucking stop, Lala, stop it. Yeah, that dog mad. What was she mad about? I don't know. I don't know. The kids is literally in there trying to go to sleep. And she not making all that noise. He getting mad. It's their dog. They need to control it. My dog is annoying at times, people. It ain't even my dog. It's the kids' dog. Like, they wanted this dog, bro. They wanted this dog. That dog stressed me out. I don't be letting out like that, cause she try to eat chicken nuggets with the fucking kids and she can't have chicken nuggets. Like, you're a little puppy. You're gonna have what these kids be having. And if I let her out, they'll give it to her. I really don't know what happens to dogs if they eat human food, but apparently it ain't good for them, So if anybody on here watch, they got dogs. Is it okay for the damn dog to eat what the kids eat? Or not? And if she just don't happen to like eat it and I'm not around, what's gonna happen? McDonald's be messing me up, so I don't even imagine what it'll do to a damn dog. Lala. Ooh. Yeah. Yo, yo. Y'all is so funny. Oh my god. We're not gonna do that here. My friends on TikTok. No, I'm not hitting nobody. I'm not gonna do all that. That video is still doing numbers, and I'm like, don't get mad at me being excited, baby. I don't wait on nobody to wait. Let me have my moment. Let me have my moment. Let me have my moment. Shout out to me. I no longer smoke, guys. It's been 2 months. When I took my picture for my Twit card today, I was like, that was cute. And I got this delicious meal. It's awesome, guys. You definitely got to make it. This ain't big love. But I'll be having her back, but this ain't big love. It's my first time ever making my own butter sauce, and baby, I should do it more often. But I still love me some B-Love. I opened my phone, supposed to respond to a message, and went and did something totally different and closed the bag. I guess iPhone just don't be. It don't be doing it. Nicolette, Nathan, gotta be quiet for me, Papa. Juice from this cucumber. Don't play y'all. Let me tell y'all. Okay. My back was hurting bad last night. Like, real bad. Okay, so I was feeling a little bad. My back was hurting really bad. Because it ain't all the way healed or whatever. And so I've been just doing whatever I gotta do to make it feel better. Baby, I took my first soaking good bath. Baby, I put some of that lavender Epsom salt, some of that lavender bubble bath, and then I bathed in that nighttime body wash. I ain't wake up till 2 o'clock today. Nathan, Nate, son, I'm recording. But yeah, y'all, it just felt so good. Like, it was rewarding. And I never knew, like, bubble baths felt that good. Because I always take showers. Because they say bubble baths ain't good for you. But, baby, last night, all that went out the window. I took me one. That water was hot. I even made them come and turn my water, like, temperature up. So I got, like, some of the hottest water possible, like the hood water. And if y'all watching this, if you ever stayed in Parkland, you know what the fuck I'm talking about. That hot water, like that shit you put your feet in, like, gotta step back. Nah, baby, I got to bend down. And, baby, when I say them crystals and that bubble bath and that bath wash, baby, I was asleep. I don't know what time them kids woke up, baby. I don't know. I do not know. But when I woke up, child, they had my house towed up. But that bath was worth it. It put me to sleep. And then I got some of that night mist spray that's spraying on pillows. Baby, when I got out the tub, made that bed up, sprayed the pillows with that lemon. Y'all ain't ready for it. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video because my kids up in there doing God knows what with the dog. My daughter just woke up. The dog not letting my kids be great. Y'all better not let her out the cage. So y'all know what we say at the end of every video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Tell your people to tell the people to tell their people to go ahead and subscribe to Goodies with Chi. Well, the vibes are always positive and the conversation be bomb. And make sure y'all thumbs up this video. So y'all know what we say at the end of every video. Bye.